Hey guys, it's Euan with the Air Zoo. I am here in my hometown of glorious Montrose, Scotland at the Montrose Air Station Heritage Centre, and behind me in this hangar there is a beautiful, beautiful early World War I aircraft I'm going to check out. Let's go take a look at it. This is a Royal Aircraft Factory B.E.2a, a very early British biplane developed by the Royal Aircraft Factory in 1912, before the outbreak of World War I. This particular aircraft was beautifully built by the volunteers of the Montrose Air Station Heritage Centre and represents number 471 of 2 Squadron Royal Flying Corps. Flown by Lieutenant Harvey Kelly, it represents the first aircraft to land in France at the start of World War I. The B.E.2 was a tractor biplane that could seat 2 people. The observer in the front, under the centre section and on top of the fuel tanks, and the pilot seated aft. Much like the Wright Flyer, the B.E.2a used wing warping to control the roll of the aircraft, although more traditional control surfaces were added in later models. Its tail consisted of a large horizontal stabilizer with split elevator and vertical fin. The main undercarriage consisted of skids and wheels with bungee cords providing a little suspension. Additional skids were located beneath the lower wings of the aircraft. Early B.E.2s had a high standard of reliability and serviceability. The B.E.2 set a British altitude record of over 10,000 feet in August 1912 and was used extensively for experimental flying in the pre-war era. At the outbreak of the Great War, B.E.2s were the first aircraft to land in France in 1914. Like all of the warring nations, the Royal Flying Corps was still figuring out what role aircraft could play on the battlefield. Used as a reconnaissance plane, the B.E.2s were often unarmed and unable to defend themselves. However, there are stories of more aggressive crews bringing along infantry-based weapons such as rifles, pistols, and even the Lewis gun. B.E.2as like this one were replaced by B.E.2cs, although the improvement was minimal. By 1915, the B.E.2 was described as Fokker fodder due to its inability to cope with the newer German fighters. Thank you for watching this Launchpad to Learning video, and a big thank you to the Montrose Air Station Heritage Centre for letting me check out their fantastic planes and exhibits. If you're ever in Scotland, do visit them. It's worth the trip, honestly. And I'm not just saying this is my hometown, trust me.